We got a pretty cool 1965 Ford Mustang here. This car has lived on the West Coast for 55 of its years. It was a California SCCA race car back in the day. So it was recently restored, just finished a couple years ago, and they kept the race car theme going with it. Under the hood, believe it or not, is a 460 Ford crate motor. It has a 5-speed, has a 9-inch, has upgraded suspension, brakes, and it has air conditioning. So this is a hot little bugger. You can get out and you can drive this thing, but it's going to keep you comfortable with the air and power steering. Here's a book, a lot of detailed information about the build. That'll go with the car, of course. You can go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars, and they're all for sale. Each one will have a monthly payment and a price, including this one right here. If you scan the QR code, it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. When you take this one for a spin, you better buckle up. There's harnesses in there. This thing's quick. So the body is all original metal. That's the best I can tell, and that's what the owner swears. This car was built in San Jose, and it lived out there for 55 years. Original clean metal. He says it was a $20,000 paint job, and that was starting with a clean body to begin with. So they did rivet a functional scoop onto the hood, but the hood, the fenders, all clean, all straight, all looking real nice, all nice gaps, all smooth all the way down to the bottom. The gaps are right on the money, opens and closes very nicely. The roof, the quarter panel, all that's looking really good, all the way down to the bottom, all smooth, all straight, no rust, no damage. Fits very nicely, all looking really good. It's an original Rangoon Red car, and now the paint is a mirror. Look at that mirror reflection. That wiped off. All super nice, clean. This door opens just as nicely as the other side. Oh, shuts so easily. So clean, straight, beautiful. Has the GT350 decals on the side, and then it has the over-the-top racing stripes painted on. They gave the trim a brushed aluminum look. Looks like they scuffed the handles and the bullet mirrors and the molding, so it has kind of that brushed aluminum look. Now up front is like all Shelby. It has a Shelby front valance with the air scoop. They've added a front spoiler, has a Shelby grille, has hood pins, keep the hood down. Windshield's been replaced. It's sitting on 17-inch torque thrust wheels wrapped in performance tires. Spoiler on the trunk keeps that aggressive look going. Original rear window has some light scratches like they all do. Now the tail lights are blacked out. Has a Shelby gas cap and the Shelby GT350 emblem. You'll see some hooks on the bumper. Race cars had that sort of thing back then, so you could easily strap them down on the trailer. So that's for looks there. But pretty good looking car so far. Let's dive into the inside, and I got to tell you all about that motor. Okay, we got a few goodies in the trunk. First of all, it's painted like a satin red finish. The weather strip is replaced. Latch and sticker are there. The jambs are absolutely clean, so it has a part number, and the factory seams are the original quarter panels. Battery is relocated to the trunk. It's mounted. It has a master disconnect switch. It has a nice fuel system, the premium lines and fittings. And we'll talk more about it, but the roll bar actually attaches to the body. It's a functional, structural part of the car. Comes with some extra belts and miscellaneous things that will go with the car. These are those fuzzy window strips. The ones that are on the car are good, but here's brand new ones. When you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon and you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. The jambs are clean metal. They're painted nicely. Weather strips are new. The door panels, armrests, those are new. And when we get inside the car, it's got ultralight gauges, full set, electronic speedometer and tachometer, The bezel and the dash pad were replaced. These are stickers. It has a Carroll Shelby signed glove box door. Glove box liner is new. Down on the floor, it has nice carpet, Shelby floor mats. It's a classic auto air conditioning. This is what the original unit would have looked like, or extremely similar to that. It blows ice cubes on your lap. So keeping with the race car style theme, it's got the toggle switches. It's a push button start. And then we have the 5-speed transmission. Now these Corbeau seats, they hold you in place. And then you put these racing harness around you, you're locked in real nice and tight. Because you can get this car out on a track. You can really take it into the turns. Okay, so you do have a full back seat. You know, someone would have to climb back there. The seat does flip forward. The roll bar adds safety, and it just makes the car more rigid. So you'll feel it when you go into a corner. It keeps the car from twisting and flexing. The back seat is actually claimed to be the original upholstery in real nice shape. The side panels are real nice. And then the white headliner and visors are also claimed to be the original, which says a lot about the integrity of this car. The mirror looks real nice. It's a walnut steering wheel on a tilt column. They never had a tilt column, so that was added. It has a painless wiring system with push-in fuse block. Has been updated with, and there's sound deadener under the carpet as well. Yeah, this is for the person that really wants to drive their car. I mean, you can drive it. You can be shifting those gears and getting into it. So this is a Ford Motorsports crate short block. So the block, the lower engine, was all assembled and done. It starts with a Boss 351 block, which is a heavy-duty block with 4-bolt mains. And they bore it and stroke it to a 460. All forged parts, roller cam. And again, it comes assembled, done from Ford. Now for heads, it has AFR, Advanced Flow Research aluminum heads. They were a couple grand. They're ported and all that good stuff. And on top is an Edelbrock, I think it's an Edelbrock Junior intake, a Quick Fuel 850 double feed carb. That's a good size carb. Ford Racing valve covers, got some nice headers, and the whole fuel system, all the fuel lines and fittings and all that regulator, all in really great shape. And you'll notice all the metal is clean, original, not been rusty. It's got new horns, has a complete MSD ignition system, a serpentine belt system. The alternator looks fresh. We have an aluminum radiator and overflow bottle with dual electric fans to keep it running cool. Also an aluminum radiator. So like I said, it's not all just muscle, tough guy. It does have air conditioning and power steering to make it a little more comfortable. Here's a catch can system. The breather catches any mist of oil or anything in there, just keeps things cleaner. Wilwood master cylinder, that is for the hydraulic clutch. We have a Wilwood master cylinder for the brakes. Doesn't have the shock towers because it's a new suspension we'll talk about. Does have this nice support bar here, and that hood scoop is opened up, so it does push some fresh air to that motor. Michael's going to get out and demonstrate this thing for you, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
This engine sounds really impressive. I'm liking it very much so far. 460, making well over 500 horsepower to the wheels. Here with that exhaust is just so stout. If you like them loud and fast, this is the one for you. We got our special guest with us here today, Max Grams. Coming along want to have a little fun. Yep. Feels great. This is originally, I guess it's my understanding, it's originally a race car. And then they went ahead and restored it. And man, listen to this thing. I can't wait to see what she's got. All right, just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. A little cold out today. Those tires were she got a little squirrely in second gear. Lots of fun. Very potent power, potent exhaust. Just an awesome car. Great feel to it, and it's a heck of a lot of fun. I'm certain the new owner is really going to enjoy it, and yeah, have a blast. Hopefully you guys don't get in any trouble with this one though. Really nice downshift there. And yeah, you don't take mine and Max's word for it. You can come test drive it for yourself. We welcome you down here. In fact, we encourage it. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath the car is rock solid original floors, being a California car, updated with a Mustang 2 style front suspension with the tubular control arms, QA1 coilover adjustable gas shocks. It has a Wilwood sway bar, power rack and pinion steering. Now connecting the front to the back is a frame connector with a complete cross member section, a whole tubular center section. Really keeps this car from twisting. And in back is the 4-link setup, also with QA1 adjustable gas shocks, tubular control arms, and a sway bar. The exhaust is wicked sounding on this car. It's pretty awesome. Has some small Flowmaster mufflers, and then of course the tips come out on each side. Those are titanium tips which turn blue. Just kind of a cool, neat thing that it has. I'd never heard of titanium, and I looked it up, and it says, yeah, and they typically turn blue, and that's exactly what this has, so that's what they are. We've seen the fuel system from in the trunk underneath. Has a electric fuel pump. Looking up at the motor, it has a 7-quart Canton oil pan, so it holds extra oil for extra cooling and keeping the motor clean. High torque starter. It's a Tremec 5-speed transmission with a McLeod clutch, hydraulic clutch, custom race balanced solid drive shaft going to the 9-inch rear end, which has 370 gears in it. It's a Curry rear end. So yeah, got a pretty cool car here. I mean, it's you can drive it around. It's mild, it's tame. You can also take this car to the track. It's that type of car. California rust-free car with a neat story, neat history, comes with the documentation. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions like how to get your Mustang delivered home. If you need financing or insurance, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.